We're still packing. It's 5 o'clock. Supposed to be on the road. I don't think your girl's feeling the morning. The lack of sleep. You good, Chief? You gonna make it? Alright, good morning everybody. Today is February 15th. Today we are going to Baltimore, Maryland for one of Shay's best friend's birthday parties. One of her 30th birthday parties. And yeah, we're flying out of Charlotte. What time is it? Charlotte's about 2.5 hours away from where we are. We're supposed to be there at 8. The original plan was to leave by 5. It is now 5:20. So yeah, gotta get to the airport, do all that stuff, swerve through traffic, and hopefully we make it on time. We'll see. Currently Shay is still cutting out stickers and whatever we need for this party, and yeah, we had to get up and pack this morning. We woke up at 4:30, got dressed, showered, got dressed, packed. Now we're cutting stickers, so yeah.
All right, what's up? It's me checking in again. We just touched down in Charlotte. The time is 7:53. Yeah, we had to get here by 8. You know, we left late. We got on the road about what, 5:45? No, was it 5:40? Yeah, it was about 5:40, 5:30. It was late. We were planning to get on the road by 5 o'clock. I don't know if you heard me from earlier. Hold on, let me get out and start getting it going. So Shay doesn't get mad at me, because we wouldn't want that to happen, would we? Hello?
You need a tag for the car. You want to drive up here and get it?
Yeah. Alright, so apparently we need a tag for the car to park here. So I'm about to drive up to the place. Hold up, my bad. I didn't mean to like zoom y'all in on me. Let me zoom in. You do not need to be that close. No reason I should ever be that close. I don't fix it. Alright, so yeah, we're at the hotel in Charlotte. We left late. I know I had to cut off about 20 minutes. Well, the plan was to cut off 10 minutes. I ended up cutting off 20 minutes, so that's what's up. So now I'm about to pull up and grab this tag to put up in on my dash while I park. And yeah. Alright, so I got my tag to park. We are going to Baltimore, Maryland for one of Shay's best friend's birthday parties. So we're having fun this weekend. Just bringing you guys along with the vlog. I don't know, I guess this is gonna be called flying with the budgets. Everything, I'm seeing a common theme: cooking with the budgets, date night with the budgets. This one's gonna be flying with the budgets, I guess. See, I back in the parking spots because I'm fancy. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all through the airport and there. I don't even know if I'm supposed to have a camera going through the airport. I'm not even sure that's allowed, so hopefully they don't stop me and arrest me. Let me make sure I got everything from my car. I believe I have everything.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Make sure I got my ID.
Alright, so I just parked and now I'm on my way back to the office. And you're about to see us head, well, we parked at Days Inn. The little parking spot, that's cool, they got a little sign. So they're known for letting people park here while they go to the airport. And the airport is just right over there. You can see airplanes are taking off. Another one? I don't know if you guys saw it yet. There you go. So next we're about to take the shuttle to the airport. They said they've been working on this for years.
They've been working on this since 2012.
I was about to say about 10 years, I said.
And they got 5 more years.
Wow.
You see that there? They took all that down.
Oh man. So yeah, they got some more work to do for sure. Alright, so we made it to the airport. Now we're about to go through the security check. It's a long line, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. Somebody has a little attitude because I brought in a drink and I asked her if she wanted the drink and she got an attitude, so yeah, that's that. Alright, so we still haven't gone through the security checkpoint yet. We are actually switching gates. Our gate is E. We're going through the first one, which was A. So told us the gate E was being expedited and we'll be going through faster. So that's where we're headed to now. We're headed to gate E so we can go through the expedited checkpoint. I really don't think the airport is that crowded. It's not too much traffic going on. But yeah, here goes gate E right up here.
Wherever you are. No, it's ridiculous. I can play boards in like 25 minutes. Keep walking. Don't stop or slow down. Keep walking.
Alright, so I just got through security. That was pretty fast. The expedited checkpoint thing was pretty fast with the drug dog. You just walk right past them and the dog goes back and forth sniffing and he stops whoever he thinks has drugs. I didn't have drugs because I never have drugs, don't do drugs. And then when we got to the checkpoint part, that was pretty fast too. Because nowadays I guess you don't have to take off your shoes. I didn't even have to take off my hoodie. So as long as you didn't have like a heavy jacket or anything, you didn't have to take it off. Didn't have to take off my shoes. It was pretty fast and efficient. Shay's bag got pulled for a bag check. What Shay got in her bag? Shay about to go to jail. What's Shay had? Shay's going to jail. Shay's going to jail. Shay's going to jail.
Yay, we made it.
You going to jail? What'd you have? You going to jail? You're not, they're not arresting you? So Wonder Minds want to know what happened.
My moisturizer was too big.
You can't be that moisturized?
Tub can't be that big.
Alright, we made it to our gate with plenty of time to spare. Our flight departs at 9:44. It is 8:50. Our flight boards at 9:15. It is currently 8:50, so we got here with plenty of time to spare. I believe Shay is going to go get something to eat, use the bathroom, refresh herself. I'll be probably going to do the same in just a few. Hope we have a great flight, and yeah, hope everybody has a great day. And now it's time to board. We're getting ready to board shortly. And she still has an attitude, so yeah.
Oh, that was a Make sure it's towards
All roller bags will need a valet tag. All roller bags will need a valet tag.
You got a valet tag?
So we just got on the plane. Shay is back there.
Pause for a moment to give your attention to the flight attendant. Luggage and personal articles should be stowed either overhead or under the seat in front of you. To prepare for departure, close your tray table and place your seat in the upright position. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. And just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are in your seat. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag doesn't inflate. Thank you for your attention. Enjoy your flight.
Alright, so the flight just ended. We're in Baltimore, Maryland. And we just got off. We're getting our bags, and I think Shay sees her bag. walking through the Baltimore airport, and one major difference you can tell is way less traffic coming through here. I don't know if it's the time of day or the time of the morning, but yeah, there's much less traffic coming through here. It's way less crowded.
Where did you guys come from? Where you guys are from here?
Alright, so we're still en route to the party. Right now we're in the back seat of the Uber. We're currently stopped at a gas station because our Uber driver doesn't have gas. So yeah, he's filling up the car with gas, and then we're gonna be back en route. How's your trip going so far? Yeah, same here, same thoughts. Why's your trip going bad?
Because my life is going wrong. Oh yeah, let's steal the car.
You wanna steal the car?
Yeah, but he took the case, but we can steal this. I don't want that, so.
Ain't no
That's
keys. Oh, this an Impala?
That's an iPhone 3.
That's an Impala. I want this. I could throw some D's on this.
I'm hungry, I know that.
Yeah.
Sleepy.
Who you telling? I could not stay up for nothing in this ride.
And he cares about sleep.
But not once have you heard me complain about the lack of sleep.
That's because you don't ever. But what do
right. That's one lesson you need to learn. I do not complain. Everything. You've been complaining about everything.
No, I'm saying, but do I complain about that?
You've been complaining about everything since Monday. Today's Saturday.
Wednesday. This is you. This is not me. I can't relate.
It's not even funny.
It's not supposed to be funny, it's just you. Is it not? This is you too.
Literally everywhere, right? You know?
Mm-hmm.
He's like a running back.
Yeah.
So it's a high possibility of getting injured, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, with all that running, yeah.
Yeah, he have a short career, I can say that. Because unlike what is his name? Tom Brady, he does not, he play very safe. His game is like, he play to win.
Yeah.
His game is not exciting.
He got to play it safe because he old.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is, he plays well, but his game is not that,
Yeah, he's not that athletic.
Athletic and he
fast.
Doesn't bring goosebumps, you know. He does not bring, you know what I mean? Because he plays safe. Football is kind of sport where you want to hear like this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Aggressive. Yeah, you know our legendary player, Hall of Famer,
Ray Lewis?
Yeah.
Yep.
You know his dance? Like that?
Yep, he was one of my favorite players.
Oh, his neck is this big, you know?
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is these guys, see the difference between these players and other sports players is these players might not be tall as basketball players, you know?
Mm-hmm.
They might be of any shape, but they might be big, you know, fat, maybe skinny or whatever. But those guys are like, their body is just like steel.
Solid.
Solid, exactly solid. Very solid.